Hello and welcome to the presentation for the Data Informed Solution Plan for Bank of America. My name is Spencer Crume. I am completing this presentation as part of my Capstone Project for my Business Intelligence Master's Program at Full Sail University. This will provide an overview with the full details in the report to follow. Bank of America is a financial services company with a 240 plus year company history. Has grown over the years through mergers and acquisitions from other companies, provides banking services such as checking accounts and investment services such as retirement planning with a goal to improve financial lives through the power of every connection. Bank of America currently has a financial product in 1 out of every 2 households in the United States. Current assets under management of $2.38 trillion, which makes Bank of America the second largest bank in the U.S. Top competition is JP Morgan Chase and Wells Fargo, with future growth potential as more services go digital and in-person costs are reduced. The financial services industry is heavily regulated, with those regulations being created and implemented through the legislative process. The pandemic has affected businesses and individuals through loss of productivity and income. Banks are tasked with ensuring that lending practices are not only fair, but also provide equal access to lending products. Banking and services have created competition from not just brick and mortar banks, but also new fintech startups without a physical presence. Finance has been moving to a paperless existence, with companies such as Bank of America pledging to reduce paper use by 30%. The changing scope of privacy laws and regulations continue to put pressure on the financial industry to ensure the safety and security of that information. Bank of America is widely known as a widely known name in the financial industry, both for consumer and institutional banking. It's ranked number 6 in the world based on financial strength due to assets under management, risk balancing, and global investment performance. The majority of revenue is from domestic products and services, currently only offering consumer banking services within the United States, with institutional offerings around the world. Expanding consumer offerings into foreign markets would open pathways to the currently unbanked clients worldwide. Current technology is still tangled with older legacy systems, which decrease productivity and increase employee aggravation. Updating the technology used into a more cohesive system that provides future expansion capability would increase employee satisfaction and productivity. America suffered reputational damage during the 2008-2009 financial crisis, which resulted in the severe decline of its stock price per share. This also created a public perception that individuals would not recommend the bank to others. Increasing the client satisfaction to the promoter level will in turn increase net interest income and result in an increase in shareholder value. Bank of America has current technology infrastructure with partnerships from HP, Dell, Cisco, and Microsoft. This proposed BI solution will be adding Microsoft Azure platform tools and Microsoft Power Suite tools as well. Implementing the proposed BI solution will integrate with existing systems to utilize historical data. The major tasks necessary to complete the implementation of this proposed BI solution will include the executive department will creating initiatives and approving processes. Infrastructure will have to prepare for the migration and then also build and test the integration. Data analysts will have to build and test the mining, create automations, and employees will need to complete training and report feedback as necessary. Implementation of the proposed BI solution will be in 2 phases. Phase number 1 will be over the course of a 6-month trial, which will happen in New York State. Phase number 2 will be the full rollout over the course of following 6 months to the rest of the United States into all the branches. Bank of America currently has gaps in client satisfaction and net interest income. The current state is a net promoter score of -24 and a reliance on domestic revenue through the legacy systems. The future state proposal would bring net promoter score to above 10 and increase share price above $35 per share. This is going to be accomplished through customer interactions, expansion of the footprint, targeting of offers, and a unified platform through this proposed BI solution. Customer interactions will be tracked and used to provide insight in order to provide more targeted offers that better align with customer needs. Through 3 main sources: current and historic client demographics, social media input to see the current state of public perception, and then device statistics to see how best clients are utilizing their devices. This will be arranged using a star schema to ensure that data old and new is not conflicting. There will be several data mining methodologies used. Outlier detection will be used to prevent the skewing of insight away from the core details. Clustering will allow for the creation of groups of data that will help the bank to provide better and more targeted solutions, and prediction using advanced AI and machine learning to try and anticipate the future needs of customers. Data analysis will be utilizing statistical analysis through Power BI. Diagnostic analysis will provide the why the data is showing the results that it is. Predictive analysis is going to build off the previous analyses to further refine the anticipated needs and present proper solutions to the customer. Data analysts will monitor the process through Microsoft Azure Analytics. The Synapse Analytics will provide automation, intelligent routines, and dashboards. Will provide to both the customer and the company the ability to see their information in real time and best react to changing trends and needs. The requirements are to implement a solution through Microsoft Azure Platform, Microsoft Power Suite, and then of course staffing, training, and readiness needs. The phase 1 investment will be just under $7 million, with phase 2 requiring an investment of just over $134 million, with some ongoing expenses to keep the program running. Anticipated benefits will be more satisfied customers because they do not leave and therefore eliminate the cost of acquiring new customers to replace them. Customers who are not merely satisfied with the bank but are promoters will provide free word-of-mouth advertising. This will result in a return on investment of 106% during phase 1 and 76% in phase 2. The swift implementation of the proposed BI solution will provide actionable insight to key decision makers, help the frontline employees to provide best-in-class customer experience, which will increase customer satisfaction, increase net promoter score, increase net interest income, and will increase the per share stock price. Thank you.